Hey everybody, happy holidays. I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are using up my scrap fabric and making some boho scrap fabric Christmas trees. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you stop by and say happy holidays. Are you ready? Let's make a boho scrap fabric Christmas tree. I cut these strips with a straight edge scissor, and now I think a pinking shear might have been a little more fun. Everyone asks me about my favorite glue gun. Hands down, I love the Surebonder High Temp Detail Mini Glue Gun. Loose glitter can be really messy, so as an alternative, you might want to use glitter glue for this part. I use mini pom-poms on my trees, but you could use buttons or sequins. I'm going to leave a link to my favorite detail glue gun. It's by Surebonder. You're going to love using it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab one of my craft books. They'd make a great Christmas gift. And I will see you next week. Bye.